degrees of comparison, type 3. The last topic in degrees of comparison is type 3. In type 3, some particular things, objects, cities, persons, countries, animals, etc., which are of the best kind, are compared with all the others. Some of the best kind are compared with all the others. In type 1 beta, one thing is compared with all others. The difference between type 1 and type 3 is, in type 3, some of the best, meaning a group which is the best, among them one city, is compared to all the others. For example, when I say Chennai is one of the best cities in India, I don't mean to say that Chennai is the only city which is the best in India. What I actually mean to say is that Chennai, like other cities, Mumbai and Pune and Delhi and Hyderabad, etc., which are one of the best cities, Chennai stands amongst them. Meaning, Chennai is in the group of best cities, is one of them. So when I say Chennai is one of the best cities in India, I mean to say Chennai belongs to that group of best cities. I don't mean to say that Chennai is the only best city. That is a basic difference. Okay? Let us take this second example. When I say Shyam is one of the best students in the class, Shyam is one of the best students in the class. I mean to say that Shyam, like other good students who scored the best marks, like John and Ramesh and Maz and Shruti and Meena, etc., Shyam is one of them. Shyam does not score the highest marks, maybe he is scoring, but there are other students who are like Shyam, who get the best marks. So I am comparing Shyam as one of them who scores the highest marks in his classroom. So here the comparison is between Shyam as being a member of a small group of students who score the highest. That does not mean that the Shyam is the only one who is scoring the highest marks. So when I compare Shyam as one of the best, I mean to say there are very few students like Shyam who are scoring the best marks. So that is the basic difference. When we change the degree in type 3, let us take the first example. Chennai is one of the best cities in India. One of the best. In this, the word best tells us this is superlative degree. How can I change this into comparative degree? I'll have to start with the same noun, Chennai. Chennai is better than most other cities in India. Most other. Normally we write in type 1, Chennai is better than any other city. But in type 3 beta we will write Chennai is better than most other cities in India. That becomes comparative degree. In positive degree we will begin with very few. So the answer will be very few cities in India are as good as Chennai. Very few cities in India are as good as Chennai. Please remember this sequence. In positive degree, we will start with very few. So, very few cities in India are as good as Chennai. Consider this example. When I say India is one of the most populated countries in the world, India is one of the most populated countries in the world. As soon as I write one of the most, we can come to know from the word most. Okay, this is superlative degree. I can change into comparative degree when I write India is more populated than most other countries in the world. India is more populated than most other countries in the world. Unfortunately, there's a small mistake here. Instead of writing countries, I've written cities. No problem. India is India is more populated than most other countries in the world. Positive degree will be very few countries in the world are as populated as India. Very few countries in the world are as populated as India. So this is type 3 second example. Okay, this is how you will change. In the board examinations, they will not tell you which type of degree it is. You need to understand. This is a simple way to understand. Type 3 of degrees of comparison, beta, when it is in superlative degree, will have the words one, of, the, and an st wala adjective or adverb, which will tell you this is superlative degree. For example, it will have one of the most, one of the best, one of the highest, one of the brightest, etc., etc. So we will easily understand that is the degree of comparison type 3 superlative degree. If it is type 3 comparative degree, you will have words like more than most others, better than most others, higher than most others, stronger than most others, etc. See the sequence: better than, higher than, most others. In type 3 comparative, you will have better than, most others, higher than most others, etc. Positive degree, beta, it will start with very few. So it's very easy to understand. If there is any statement which is starting with very few and you have to change the degree, this is type 3 degrees of comparison positive degree. So you will easily understand you have to change it into type 3 comparative and type 3 superlative. After this, you will see a slide. The slide which you are seeing on your screen now is having questions. Please pause the video, write these questions, and we will discuss the answers at the end.